Everyday English listening. Let's listen to English every day because it helps us improve our listening skills, understand pronunciation better, learn new vocabulary, and become more confident in real conversations. Keep practicing. Don't put off until tomorrow. What you can do. Today, success comes to those who are ready for the opportunity. There's a simple but powerful truth hidden in the old saying, don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. It reminds us that time is precious and action cannot be delayed if we want to achieve something meaningful. Life is full of opportunities, but not everyone is ready to receive them when they appear. That's why preparation, consistency, and timely action are key ingredients in the recipe for success. In other words, success doesn't happen by accident. It happens to those who are ready when the chance arrives. The cost of procrastination. Procrastination is one of the biggest enemies of progress. We've all been guilty of saying, I'll do it later, or I'll start tomorrow. Sometimes, tomorrow becomes next week, and before we realize it, the opportunity has passed us by. Procrastination may feel harmless at first, but it quietly eats away at our goals, dreams, and potential. Imagine a student who keeps delaying their study time until the night before the exam. They miss the chance to truly understand the material and build confidence. Or consider someone who wants to start a business but keeps waiting for the perfect moment when they have more money, more time, or more knowledge. Often, that perfect moment never comes, and the dream remains a dream. Procrastination steals your time, drains your energy, and often leads to regret. The people who achieve their goals are not the ones who always feel ready. They're the ones who take action even when it's hard. Preparation. The silent foundation of success. Success doesn't arrive overnight. It comes to those who prepare consistently and patiently. Athletes train for years before they compete in the Olympics. Musicians practice daily before performing on stage. Professionals invest time in learning and building skills long before they land their dream job. In all these cases, preparation is the key. When you prepare today, you give your future self a better chance at success. You are building your confidence, sharpening your tools, and becoming more capable of recognizing and seizing opportunities when they come your way. Without preparation, even the best opportunity may go unnoticed or be wasted. The truth is that opportunity favors the prepared mind. That's why it's so important to do the work now, not later. Success isn't just about luck. Some people believe that success is mostly about being lucky. While luck can play a small role, the truth is that most successful people didn't just stumble into success. They worked for it. They showed up every day, even when they didn't feel like it. They were ready when the door opened. Consider this. Two people may be offered the same opportunity, a new job, a chance to speak in public, or a moment to shine in front of others. The one who has spent time preparing, learning, and practicing is far more likely to make the most of that opportunity. So, rather than waiting for luck to knock on your door, spend your time preparing for success. If you stay ready, you won't need to get ready. Small steps today build big results. Tomorrow. One of the reasons people delay action is that their goals feel too big. Writing a book, starting a business, learning a new language. These all seem overwhelming. But remember, you don't have to do it all at once. Every great achievement is the result of many small steps taken over time. Start by doing just one thing today. Read one page, write one paragraph, make one phone call, learn one new word. These small steps add up. They create momentum. More importantly, they teach you discipline and help you build confidence. Each time you take action, even a small one, you're telling yourself, I'm serious about this. I'm getting ready. Being ready is a mindset. Readiness isn't just about skills or resources. It's also about mindset. A ready person sees possibilities instead of problems. A ready person understands that failure is part of the journey, not the end. A ready person trusts that action is better than perfection. When you make a habit of taking action today, you are training your mind to be strong, responsible, and focused. You stop making excuses and start finding solutions. This mindset makes you more open to growth and more attractive to opportunities. Many doors remain closed, not because they are locked, but because the person standing in front of them is not prepared to turn the handle. Real-life examples of readiness and opportunity. Think of J.K. Rowling, who wrote the first Harry Potter book as a single mother living on welfare. She could have put off writing until her situation improved, but she didn't. She wrote in cafes, using whatever time she could find. When the opportunity came to publish, she was ready. She had a finished book. Or look at Oprah Winfrey, who started her career with humble beginnings. She worked hard behind the scenes for years before getting a big break. When the opportunity came, she had already developed the skills and confidence to succeed. These stories remind us that those who succeed don't wait. They prepare, they act, and they are ready when life presents them with a chance. Start today, succeed tomorrow. The quote, "Don't put off until tomorrow what you can do today. Success comes to those who are ready for the opportunity," carries a timeless message. It reminds us to take action now, no matter how small. It teaches us that the path to success is built step by step, day by day. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start. Write that first line, take that first step, make that first decision. Each action you take today brings you closer to your goals. Don't wait for the perfect time. It may never come. The time to act is now. Be ready, stay prepared, and trust that the right opportunity will come. When it does, you'll be more than ready. You'll be unstoppable. Do it today. Don't wait until tomorrow. Opportunities only come to those who are ready. Time is one of the most valuable things we have in life. Once it passes, we can never get it back. That's why the message behind the quote, "Do it today, don't wait until tomorrow. Opportunities only come to those who are ready," is so important. It encourages us to take action now, without delay, and to always be prepared. Many people dream of success, but only those who act with purpose and prepare in advance are truly ready when opportunity arrives. Success doesn't fall into our laps. We must work for it, step by step, beginning today. The habit of waiting and its dangers. It's easy to say, "I'll start tomorrow." Whether it's exercising, writing, studying, applying for a job, or starting a project, we often think we have more time. We believe there will be a better time to begin, but tomorrow has a habit of turning into next week, next month, or even never. By waiting, we risk missing out on valuable chances that could have changed our lives. Think about how many dreams are left unfulfilled because someone waited too long to start. Great ideas are abandoned. Skills are left undeveloped. Plans remain as thoughts. Waiting seems harmless in the moment, but in the long run, it can lead to regret. Time is your greatest ally, if you use it wisely. When you choose to do something today, you make progress. You use your time in a way that builds your future. Even a small action, like reading a chapter, writing a paragraph, or taking a short walk, can bring you closer to your goal. It's not about doing everything all at once. It's about doing something today that moves you forward. If you waste today, you lose a chance that may never come again. But if you use today wisely, you turn time into your ally. Every single day gives you an opportunity to grow stronger, learn more, and get better prepared for whatever life might bring your way. Being ready means being proactive. What does it mean to be ready? It means more than just wishing or hoping for good things. Readiness is a mindset. It means you prepare even when no one is watching. It means you sharpen your skills and grow your knowledge even when success seems far away. It means you take responsibility for your growth every single day. Proactive people don't wait to be told what to do. They don't wait for the right mood or the perfect timing. They take the first step. They create their own luck by being ready when the moment arrives. By choosing to take action today, they build momentum and confidence. Opportunity doesn't knock forever. Many people believe that if they miss an opportunity, another one will come. While that's sometimes true, it's not something we should rely on. Some opportunities come only once. A job opening, a competition, a meeting with someone influential, a chance to speak or present an idea. These moments often appear suddenly and may not return. If you are not ready, if you've put off your preparation, you might miss the moment. That's why readiness is so important. By doing the work today, learning, practicing, improving, you are preparing yourself to recognize and grab those rare opportunities when they appear. The role of discipline and commitment. Taking action today requires discipline. It's not always fun. Sometimes it's hard to get started, especially when you're tired, distracted, or afraid of failure. But discipline is what separates dreamers from doers. The most successful people aren't always the smartest or the most talented. They're the ones who show up and do the work consistently. Commitment is another important part of readiness. If you are truly committed to your goals, you won't keep pushing them to tomorrow. You'll find a way to act today, even in small ways. Over time, these small actions build into big changes. Examples from real life. Let's look at some real-life examples. A young musician who practices every day, even without a performance coming up, is preparing for the moment when they're invited to play at a major concert. A student who studies a little every day is getting ready for the day when an important exam or interview decides their future. An entrepreneur who improves their business idea little by little is getting ready for the day when an investor shows interest. None of these people waited until the last minute. They didn't hope to get ready once the opportunity came. They prepared long before it arrived. When the moment came, they were confident and capable, not because of luck, but because they had done the work. Taking action today brings clarity. Another benefit of acting today is that it gives you clarity. When we keep thinking about doing something but never actually do it, our goals stay vague. We worry, we doubt, and we feel stuck. But when we start taking real steps, even small ones, we gain experience and learn what works. We start seeing the path more clearly. Every action you take today teaches you something. It may confirm that you're on the right track, or it may show you that you need to adjust. Either way, it's better than sitting still. The more you act, the more you learn. The more you learn, the more prepared you become. How to start? Today. You might be wondering, where do I begin? The answer is, start small. You don't need to solve everything in one day, but you do need to begin. Here are a few steps you can take. Set a small, clear goal for today. For example, write one paragraph, or watch one tutorial video. Remove distractions. Put your phone on silent for 30 minutes and focus on the task. Keep it simple. Don't overthink it. Just start and let momentum carry you forward. Repeat tomorrow. If you do something today and repeat it again tomorrow, you build a habit. That habit turns into readiness. Conclusion. Act now, be ready. Later. In the end, success doesn't come to those who wait. It comes to those who prepare. Those who choose to take action today, even when it's difficult, are building a future where they are ready to meet opportunity with confidence. Do it today. Don't wait until tomorrow. Opportunities only come to those who are ready. This message is simple, but powerful. It's a call to action. It's a reminder that every day matters. The work you do today may seem small, but it's planting the seeds for something bigger. So start now. Be consistent. Stay focused. Your opportunity may be just around the corner. The question is, will you be ready when it comes?